Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you update on my Canna Indica beautiful bloom in this year 2021. As you can see, I did planted the bulbs together, and last year I did planted together too. They love to grow together, as you can see how beautiful the foliage looks like and lush. As well, the plant loves sunny and look at the blooms, amazing. About 4 blooms, as you can see in this year, and pretty. And Canna Indica loves a lot of water. It's in the same family with banana plant, and I love kind of plants. And this plant does not resist in winter time. I move it in the basement, the bulbs. That's it. And I showing you in every year how blooming. Just a quick update how looking this year, this beautiful Canna Indica. Amazing. It have a lot of sunny this year, hot, very hot. We had 40 degrees a few days. That's it, very hot this summer. But the plant loves humidity in the air as well. That's it. You just need to water at the time at least. I didn't fertilize it. Anyway, it's blooming beautiful because of the sunny. And those were flowers. They detent and forming kind of, I don't know. They are seeds, but there's not forming seeds. Anyway, so looking beautiful. So hope you enjoyed this update. Stay tuned on my channel. Greetings from Moldova. If you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in the description, and activate that bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And have an amazing day. See you later. George was here. Bye bye.